Hi guys, welcome back to our training on AI in market research, right? So I said last time, very first teaching we had was about perplexity, how to do SWOT analysis and other forms of analysis using perplexity AI tool, right? You could come over here, ask it a question, attach the website link of a company or a tool, a brand, a business that you want to research on and ask Perplexity about it, and it will be able to answer you. Right. Next, we went on to Google Trends, where we could find out trending topics, trending things in a region, even in sub regions, right? And find out what is going on or what's really going on about that topic, right? Within that region. So we checked Nigeria, we checked United States, we checked Facebook, about Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok, and you can also add more comparisons, more things to compare with, right? So, and like I said, you can download the file, download this entire sheet as a file, a CSV file. You can copy and embed links so that you can embed it on your website, and you can also share with others as well. All right. Now today I'm going to be teaching you how to merge both tools together. So first off, we have data from this Google Trends. We have data here. You just come over here and click on downloads, which is to download as a CSV. Look at where my cursor is. This button over here. So you click on it and you should be able to download a CSV file of the trends or whatever you looked at in your trend. All right. Now let's go to Perplexity and ask it a question concerning what we just downloaded, right? And then we attach the file that we just downloaded. We can do any one first of all. So you can click on attach first and then attach the CSV file. So let's go, let's see, it should be in downloads. Okay, I think this should be it. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that should be it. And click on open. All right, so it's there now as a CSV file. You can see multi-timeline.csv. All right, so you can now ask it a question concerning that file. Remember, what we got from here is information, trending information on the different statistics between Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok in the United States over a given period of time. Right, so we can come to Perplexity, ask it. Based on this information that we just got, right? What are the key insights? What is the conclusion? Oh, it's even giving us some ideas for us to ask. Right. So what are the key insights? What is the conclusion? Who are the authors of this document and what else have they worked on? Right. So we know it was given to us by Google, so we're not going to ask this. But it's going to be interesting to ask what is the conclusion? What are the key insights? How do I interpret this? What does this mean to me as a person living in let's say Maryland in the United States, right? So let's start with what are the key insights and get some information there, right? So the answer is the provided data includes social media engagement metrics for 4 platforms: Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter. Thank you very much. I'm tired of calling it X. All right. So Instagram and TikTok over a specified time period, right? On October 22nd to October 23rd, yeah, the key insight derived from the data sets. So we have overall trends. Facebook consistently shows the highest engagement levels, peaking at 86 at 11:56 a.m. on October 22nd. Now we definitely could not see this anywhere. I mean, we could try 11:26 p.m. On October 22nd. This is 11:56 p.m. So it's not really okay. I think I might be able to 11:40. Oh well, I really can't see it from here, but our AI tool was able to see it and it gave us the answer, right? Shows the highest engagement levels peaking at 86, 11:56 a.m. October 22. X maintains moderate engagement and so on and so forth. Engagement patterns, notable observations. it even gives us a conclusion. Remember, there was another prompt there that we could have asked it, and what's the conclusion of this um, file that we just uploaded, right? And here we go, it still gives us the conclusion anyways. So the data suggests that Facebook remains the dominant platform in terms of engagement during this time frame. TikTok struggles to reach comparable levels, and the overall trend indicates a decline in engagement as the day progresses across all platforms. Right. So one thing I love about Perplexity, like I said in the first video, is that it gives you related topics or related questions that you can ask it from whatever the initial prompt was or whatever the initial conversation was about, right? So we can have, how do the engagement rates on Facebook compare to those on Instagram? What trends can be observed on the TikTok engagement rates over time? Are there any significant spikes or dips? How does the engagement on Instagram vary? What is the average engagement rate across all platforms? Now, you see this information and you're wondering, okay, as a market researcher, what do I do with this? What do I do with this? So as a market researcher, you're researching the market, right? Let's say you're working for a food brand that wants to start posting or start building a community on a platform, and you're wondering which platform we have the best user engagements, right? So you go on Google Trends and you do your research and you find out on Google Trends after coming to Perplexity that Facebook is the one with the greatest user engagements, all right? And so you ask me, okay, the information is not enough. So we know that it's Facebook, but then what else? Aside Facebook having the greatest engagement, what else am I doing? So you can ask it, since it's Facebook that has the greatest engagement, right? Like during what periods, during what time periods? Okay. Oh, I wasn't typing. I thought I was typing. All right. So during what time periods is the user engagement highest on Facebook? Right, so you can ask it this question and watch what it's going to tell you. Let's click on go and see. So user engagement on Facebook peaked during the following time periods on October 22nd to 23rd, 2024. So during October 22nd, it is 11:56 a.m., 12:04 p.m., 12:20 p.m. This is the highest engagement time on Facebook. So if you want to post your content, you have to post between 11:50 to 12:20. That was for October 22nd. October 23rd, the highest engagement times were 1:56, 2:36, 3:16 a.m. in the morning, early hours of the morning, right? So these times indicate that the highest user engagement of Facebook occurs primarily around midday and during the early morning hours, right? And these are just for 2 days, though you can get a larger sample from your research and get it here as well. Okay. So knowing this information now, first of all, we know that okay, we want to start a food brand and we want to post on Facebook because Facebook has the highest engagement, right? So now we know that okay, Facebook for October 22nd, which was I think it was a Tuesday, thereabout. October 23rd was a Wednesday. We on Tuesdays we post around midday. On Wednesdays we post early in the morning, right? So this is just an individual data set. You can get more data set over time. Let's say this week, Tuesday and Wednesday, this is the result you got. Next week, you can check Tuesday and Wednesday again on Google Trends and see what the user engagement results are, and try and find a middle ground where people are engaging the most during, and then create your content and post during that time. And these are just things that you can just get and create a report on for your brand or for the business that you're working with as a market researcher. All right. So this is just one way that you can use AI for market research, for Perplexity, Google Trends, and on and on and on. All right. All right, guys. So this is AI in market research, right? Free training hosted by the Elite Global AI, a subset of the Elite Global Intelligence Technologies company, right? So I'd love to see you guys next training video which should be coming in very soon. All right. So this is all for now. See you on the flip. Bye for now, guys. Ciao.